It's summer in the middle of July and you're wanting to buy ice cream, but then you remember you live in the UK and it's raining, windy and cold. So you make chicken and tarragon soup instead in a scratched pot. So let's start by melting some butter, add some diced chicken breast, a little salt and pepper. You're just looking to lightly sear the chicken in that butter and then finish cooking it in your soup later. So remove this to a separate bowl, add a little extra butter, 1 diced medium onion. Just fry this for a minute or two in that butter. After a minute or two, add your vegetables. I'm using a handful of mushrooms, 2 medium carrots, a big handful of peas, a handful of sweetcorn, and 2 stalks of celery. You can use how much of each vegetable you like and whichever vegetable you like. They didn't have celeriac at the store, so I chose to go with celery instead. And you're just going to fry this for another 2 to 3 minutes. Add a little salt and pepper to your veg. Throw your chicken back in. 1 bay leaf, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. And just give that a quick stir. Now add enough vegetable or chicken stock, just enough to cover your vegetables. I added approximately 700 millilitres. Cover and bring to a boil. Once it's at a boil, reduce to a simmer and cook for 10 minutes. In a separate bowl, add 1 tablespoon of plain flour, 150 millilitres of single or double cream, and 150 grams of creme fraiche or sour cream. Give that a mix and add a couple teaspoons of Dijon or English mustard. And again, mix that through. After approximately 10 minutes, take your soup off the stove and add some ladlefuls of that hot soup to your sour cream and double cream mixture and just quickly stir that through. What we're doing is we're tempering this so that when you add it back to the soup, there won't be any lumps. This is an essential step. And you can add your sour cream and double cream to your soup. Stir that through. Bring your soup back to a simmer and add a couple teaspoons of dried tarragon. You can of course use fresh instead. And you're just going to let this cook until those vegetables are tender. If there's not enough liquid for you, you can of course add more as you need it. When your vegetables are tender, you can add a bunch of fresh parsley, stir that through. Remove the bay leaf. Give it a final taste for seasoning. If you're happy, cover it and let this rest for around 15 minutes and just give time for those flavours to develop. And your soup is ready to serve. Spoon big hot ladlefuls in a bowl, making sure you get lots of that delicious broth. Garnish with a little extra fresh parsley and serve with some fresh loaves of crusty bread. And that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please do leave a like, subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'll hopefully see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.